your Aptrepreneur. Welcome to my vlog / media channel, and we've got an interesting thing today. I have a P.O. box, and sometimes people send me things, sometimes companies send me stuff, and I got a mystery box of Right Stuf International. They must be seeing my unboxing videos and decide, what the heck, we'll send him some free garbage, and he'll upload the video, and I'm kidding. I am appreciative that everything that is sold. But yeah, they've sent me a mystery box. I don't really know what's in it. So I figured it would be fun to open this with all of you guys. We can kind of partake in the joy of what is in here together. For those of you who are not aware, Right Stuf International is a anime and manga online store that sells movies, CDs, manga, and now figurines and shirts and stuff. And you get free shipping on orders over $50, and their guy Anime will get you 10% off. They're not paying me to say that, I just am. So, okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so already, great off the bat, we've got The Vision of Escaflowne, the complete series. Digital and Blu-ray and DVD Oh no, it's not DVD, just Blu-ray. So yeah, okay, we've got Vision of Escaflowne. I don't know where I'm going to put that. I guess I'll just put that there for the time being. We have Inuyasha Season 1 on Blu-ray. Inuyasha, I love that one. We have what's not friendly in a Me Too world, but still a fun show. We have City Hunter Season 1, Part 1. Definitely looking forward to revisiting that. Ooh, this is a good one. We have Case Closed, Episode 1. Case 1, is that what it's called? Episode 1. Yeah, so this is the remake of the first episode, or the first couple episodes in a movie form. So me and my wife will definitely be watching this one. I'm trying to get her into the world of mystery-loving Case Closed. And yeah, so this is basically them trying to reintroduce Case Closed to the American audience. I hear this has a new dub, so they're using new voice actors, which I don't know how I feel about that. I guess I'll have to review it later. They are using the original names, which I'm perfectly fine with. It's just there are a couple of the Funimation voice actors who were so good in their roles, it's gonna be sad to not hear them. But anyway, definitely thank you for that one, Right Stuf. We have the collector's edition of Wolf Children. Wolf Children. This is a really good one. So someone must definitely be watching my channel, and we have. Someone must really be watching the channel. They sent me some Case Closed mangas. So I actually already have this one though. Oh well, I'll give it away as like a prize or something to one of my viewers. And we have Slam Dunk Season 1 Volume 1, the show that, and I think that's it, the show that I keep wanting people to watch, but they never actually do. So let's look over what Right Stuf did for us again. Well, we have Vision of Escaflowne, we have Inuyasha Season 1, we have City Hunter Season 1 Set 1, we have Case Closed Episode 1, Wolf Children. We have 3 volumes of Case Closed, the manga form, and Slam Dunk Season 1 Volume 1. So, hey, Right Stuf, thank you. That's very, very nice. I really appreciate you sending me that little mystery box, especially since it's stuff that, well, I already own Wolf Children in one of those Case Closed books, so I wouldn't have bought those. But yeah, it's stuff I would have normally bought. So anyway, you guys know the drill. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly.